Okay, hi guys, this is Herzu from Parent Raising a Different Kid. So, the purpose of this video is to show you a sneak peek behind the scenes of the One Funnel Away challenge members area once you have bought the program through my affiliate link. So, just wanted to give you a quick preview of what's available so that you see that this thing is real and it's working. Just a reminder, what you learn during this One Funnel Away challenge is the basics for generating revenue online. Just to give you an idea, uh, the principles as well as the advices and the tools that you'll discover during this One Funnel Away challenges have helped almost 600 people generate $1 million in revenue, thereby allowing them to enter the Kikoma Club award from Clickfunnels. And I think there are 40 plus people who have generated way more than $10 million by using the Clickfunnels program. So this is a gold mine. And if you stick to the 30 days program, you have the necessary tools and foundations so as to be the next one, the next millionaire on this program. So why am I talking about this? Because I just finished this 30-day challenge and I understand what are the challenges, what are the help that people would need as a parent raising a different kid if they were to be successful running this program. So this is how it looks like inside. And well, first, how is it working? So you have three people that will be coaching you. You have Russell Brunson, you have Julie Stoyan, and then you have Stephen Larson. Most of the time, first of all, you have a pre-training week. On this pre-training week, that is what we call the belief, because most of the time, people joining the program or people considering using Clickfunnels always ask something like, well, will it work for my retail business? Will it work for my coaching business? Will it work for my gym business? Will it work for my e-commerce business? And that's what is the purpose of this first week. It's belief, because this program works for any business that need to generate sales, that need to generate leads. So it's working for everyone. So most of the time, it's just this retraining week is about removing the false beliefs that you may have, so that you can be in the right mindset so as to run the program. So if you look into the one of the, let's say for example, mission. So this is the week one, mission one. You have Russell presenting the concept, and then you have Julie presenting the steps, the necessary steps, as well as the tools that you may need so as to fulfill the exercise. And then you have Stephen's coaching call, where he shares the different aspects of doing that specific exercise. On top of that, you have this worksheet, which is what you need to be done for this day. So you have the electronic version, but if you subscribe for the physical version, then you have a book so that will be delivered to your address. So all of the day, so you have this same structure: Russell presenting the worksheet, Julie's video, and then Russell Brunson. So I personally spent almost 2.5 hours a day doing this exercise. Well, I almost spent 1 hour just watching the videos, more sometimes, because, for example, Stefan's coaching call sometimes have 15 minutes, 50 minutes. So that's it. So what you get inside your challenge, all along the way, you'll be taught the basic principles and all, given the tools also. And what is interesting is that by the end of the 30-day, you normally have a funnel, a ready-to-launch funnel, because at week 3, so this is where you have to create a ClickFunnels account. At week 3, you will be given what we call the share funnel. So the share funnel is, a pre-made template that you can copy to your ClickFunnels account. See here. and then you work on those. So you account on those tunnels to customize it to your offer. So it's really made so that it's easy on you to configure it. So that's the main idea behind it. So that's what you get when you get into this One Funnel Away challenge. So you have this 30-day coaching where you take it hand by hand and step by step into making the program work. But apart from that, you also have access to interviews with you know very well known people, ClickFunnels users. So if they have, for example, they've been asked if they lost it all, how would they do it in 30 days so as to get into a good shape and earn what they are earning now? So you have the interview, and then you have the behind the scenes interview also. These are golden nuggets. I highly recommend you spend some time, watching those videos, because they have the plan. So this is a 30-day plan a very detailed plan that you can work on, apply. You have to identify which plan resonates to you and then implement it. So within this 100 challenge, you have also access to this 30-day plan with, here they give the summary, and then they show you the behind the scenes. So everything is given to you so as to make this a successful program. And then with regard to the parent raising a different kid, I mainly advocate for affiliate marketing. So you also have access to the affiliate bootcamp program inside your bonus. So in the affiliate bootcamp program, Russell Brunson has asked his super affiliates how would they do it if they have to start all over again. So this is a 100-day plan where they are telling you with all the details how they will do it. For example, this is how Russell Brunson will do it if he has to start all over again. So you have a 29 minutes program. You can also look at those guys, how they would do it if they have to do it. This is a 50-minute program. So you get all those informations. So your exercise will be to identify which one resonates to you, what business model resonates to you, so that you can start implementing this again. And for sure, you have also access to the ebook. You can download the ebook, the PDF file, so that if you are more into reading than watching the videos, then you can work on this also. So that's what you'll get when you go through your One Funnel Away challenge. So just to sum it up, this is a 30-day, so you get it for $100 one-time payment. And the good thing about this is that once you join the program, you become a ClickFunnels affiliate also. And there's one trick that you can use so that you can recoup this 100 investment, because once you refer another person to buy the One Funnel Away challenge, then you get back your $100. So it's almost free for you. You have to spend the 30 days. You have to spend the 30 days doing this program. So to sum it up, you get the coaching course from Julie, and you get the coaching call from Julie, Stephen, and Russell. You get access to private Facebook group also, where all the One Funnel Away challenge people are sharing, discovering. So you get all those details, all those trainings. You get this 30 days if those guys 30-day plan if they have to start all over again, so you can get it behind the shoulder and see them how they would do it. And then if you want to go into the affiliate, then you have the affiliate bootcamp access. So that's what you get for this. So as Russell will usually say, is it okay if we over deliver? So as a parent raising a different kid, I want to sweeten the deal for you. So I know how it feels when running the program. So you need someone to talk to. You need someone because you will always be asked to go to the market and ask for the feedback. So first of all, I'll be available on Facebook Messenger for those who are joining the program through my link, so I can test whatever you do, give you some advices because I've been through this program. So you can reach out to me and I will answer. If you need someone who will listen to the podcast or to read the blog post that you will be doing when you are asked for publishing, I will help you out on this and give you my advice, give you my feedback. If you need, for example, to find out some resources, need some help for setting up some few things, then I'll be there to help you out on this and give you some advice also. So that's the first thing. I'm available for you on Messenger, Facebook Messenger for that. The second sweet spot is that uh, I can also eventually help you out with the share funnel that is given by the Clickfunnels team, so that we can work out on setting up your first funnel on this. And the third bonus that I'm giving is my affiliate share funnel. So I understand that you're joining this program because you also want to be an affiliate. So I have set up an affiliate bridge page uh, where you can reuse for yourself. You just need to plug in your own product, well, at least other people's product affiliate products that you want to promote, and adjust the things. So I'll be helping you out on doing this, so that at the end you'll have at least two working funnels, the one given by ClickFunnels and the one that I'm giving to you. This is my gift for you, and all of this you'll get for $100, a small investment of $100 and a 30 days commitment. And by the way, the $100 you can get it back very easily by just having other people sign up to the One Funnel Away challenge. So that's the deal, and don't hesitate to join the program through the link below, and talk to you at the other side. Bye.